going to go ahead and review the Smith and Wesson M&P 90. This is the compact version of the 9mm M&P. I believe this is concealed carry because it is compact, and at the same time it can carry 12 rounds, 9mm rounds. So I think it's the perfect balance for concealed carry. This might be the weapon of choice for myself for concealed carry here soon. It does fire the 9mm, like I said, that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and put some rounds down range and test it out. Oh, I forgot to mention, this does have the crimson laser on it, which is actually activated with the palm with this button here in the back. We've got 12 rounds in there, maximum amount of rounds. Pretty good grouping. I'm starting to like it. Feels good in your hand. That laser really does help a lot.
Ready?
Yeah. What does it say?
Hang on, let me shoot the A. Whoa! That reminds me of Becky. Is it off maybe or what? Oh, there we go. Whoa. Ooh, I like this. And that's all, folks.
All right, let's go ahead and do some rapid fire, see how this gun would perform if you were concealed, if you were doing concealed carry and you needed it in an emergency. Let's go ahead and see how it would perform if you were to put some rounds down there pretty quickly. Not bad, not bad. If you notice, if you notice, most of those shots were inside our target there. Really awesome accuracy right there with that crimson laser. I really recommend that. And I believe I found my concealed carry gun that I'm going to slap it in there. All right. All right. You're good to go.
I'm gonna shoot the A.
What are you shooting for? The head? Wait. Squeeze it slowly. There you go. See how that works? Squeeze it slowly. Same hole. Boom, 2 in 1. 3 in 1.
That's all.
All right. Good job. Give me a high five. All right, let's try to put them all in the head there, right where Diana did it. Cool. They're all up there in the head. This gun is so accurate, like so accurate. I love it. Woo! Now that's fun.
Hello, guys. As you can see, I'm about to shoot an AR-15.
It's locked and loaded. You're ready to go.